Baghdad, Washington, September 2025. The Iraqi Dinar IQD revaluation story has taken a dramatic new turn as well-known analyst and commentator Frank26 issued a major update suggesting that the long-anticipated RV launch is either underway or imminent. His latest broadcast has ignited speculation across the Dinar community, with particular focus on contract rates that may be offered to select holders. While official confirmation from the Central Bank of Iraq (CBI) remains pending, Frank26's updates are known to track closely with banking and government chatter, making this development especially significant in his latest livestream. Frank26 hinted strongly that the RV process has already begun behind closed doors. Private exchanges claimed that certain early groups and institutional players have begun processing exchanges at undisclosed rates. Public rollout coming. According to his sources, the public will soon gain access to redemption centers with a staggered approach to prevent overwhelming the banking system. Contract rate options. Perhaps most intriguingly, Frank26 reiterated that special contract rates, higher than the expected market rate, may be available for holders willing to commit a portion of their newfound wealth to humanitarian or development projects, though critics urge caution. His statements echo other recent leaks suggesting the 80 cents international rate may only be the starting point, with contract rates potentially climbing much higher for qualified participants. The idea of contract rates has circulated in dinar circles for years. Essentially, these are preferential exchange rates offered to holders who agree to certain conditions at humanitarian projects. Investors may commit a portion of their exchange proceeds to rebuilding efforts, infrastructure, or social programs. Long-term investment agreements. Some rates may require keeping funds in certain banks or financial systems for stability. Tiered access, larger holders or those with verified intentions to reinvest could receive higher rates than small retail investors. While unconfirmed, officially, Frank26's emphasis on these options suggests that different categories of investors could experience very different outcomes when the RV becomes public. Frank26's announcement has already sent ripples through both mainstream and alternative financial communities. IQD holders excited. Online forums are buzzing as holders speculate on how to qualify for contract rates and whether they should prepare documentation ahead of exchanges. Banking preparedness. Reports continue to surface that major U.S. banks, including Wells Fargo and Chase, have updated systems and are training staff for incoming exchanges. Forex activity. Trading platforms saw increased activity in exotic currency pairs, with sharp upticks in IQD interest even before official confirmation. Skepticism remains. Traditional economists and some financial journalists remain cautious, noting that no official release has been published by the CBI, IMF, or US Treasury. Still, the alignment between Frank26's claims and recent banking movements makes this update harder to dismiss. If Frank26's update proves accurate, the implications are massive. For Iraq, The RV could mark a return to economic sovereignty, allowing the country to leverage its oil wealth more effectively and attract large-scale foreign investment. For investors, millions of private IQD holders worldwide could see life-changing gains, with contract rates potentially multiplying their wealth beyond standard exchange values. For banks, financial institutions must manage not only liquidity, but also the sudden creation of thousands of new millionaires, testing compliance, reporting, and wealth management systems. For global finance, a successful RV launch could validate theories of a broader global financial reset, fueling speculation about other currencies like the Vietnamese Dong Viet. Despite the excitement, many economists, journalists, and financial regulators urge caution. No official confirmation. The Central Bank of Iraq (CBI) has not released a formal announcement confirming either the $0.80 rate or the RV launch timeline. Logistical challenges. Managing mass exchanges without destabilizing Iraq's domestic economy could be extremely difficult. Contract rate skepticism. Many financial experts dismiss contract rates as unlikely or impractical, suggesting they could be rumors aimed at fueling investor enthusiasm. Risk of scams. Authorities warn that fraudulent exchange groups may try to exploit hopeful investors by offering fake deals. Economic side effects. A sudden surge in new millionaires could create inflationary pressures, asset bubbles, and tax compliance challenges worldwide. Critics argue that until official policy statements are made by recognized institutions, all updates, even from respected commentators like Frank26, should be viewed with measured skepticism.